Europe, a tapestry woven with vibrant cultures, ancient history, and breathtaking scenery, is best explored by train. Unlike airplanes that whisk you away from the ground, trains seamlessly integrate you into the very fabric of Europe. As the countryside unfolds outside your window, charming villages, rolling vineyards, and majestic mountains become part of your travel story. This guide equips you for an unforgettable European train adventure, from planning your route and choosing the right pass to maximizing comfort and savoring the unique experiences train travel offers. Planning your route. Charting your European Odyssey. The beauty of train travel lies in its flexibility. Unlike a tightly scheduled tour, you design your itinerary, hopping on and off trains as your interests guide you. Here are some key aspects to consider when planning your route. Interests. Are you a history buff drawn to medieval towns and ancient ruins? An art aficionado eager to visit renowned museums? A nature lover seeking breathtaking landscapes? Tailor your route to align with your passions. Travel. Time. Consider the overall duration of your trip and the distances between destinations. High-speed trains can cover vast distances quickly, while slower regional trains offer a more leisurely pace, allowing you to soak in the scenery. Number of countries. Europe boasts an extensive rail network, with many countries offering national rail passes. If your itinerary focuses on a single country, a national pass might be most economical. Multi-country adventures, consider Eurail or Interrail passes. Odyssey. Choosing the right pass. Unlocking Europe's railways. Europe offers a variety of train passes catering to different travel styles and budgets. Here's a breakdown of the two most popular options. Eurail Pass. This pass provides access to the national railway networks of up to 33 European countries. Choose between a global pass, valid in all participating countries, or a select pass, which covers a specific region. Eurail offers various pass durations, ranging from 3 days to 3 months. Intrahour. Similar to Eurail, Interrail grants access to the railway systems of 33 European countries. However, Interrail is specifically designed for European residents, beyond Eurail and Interrail. National rail passes offered by individual countries can be a cost-effective option, especially if you're focusing on a single nation. Consider exploring options in countries like Switzerland, Germany, or France. Tips for booking tickets and reservations. Advance purchase. Booking tickets, particularly for high-speed trains and popular routes, well in advance can save you money and guarantee your seat. Seat reservations. While some trains don't require reservations, it's advisable for high-speed routes and journeys during peak season. Reservations often come with a small fee, but ensure a comfortable and stress-free journey. Essential packing for train travel. Comfortable clothing is a must. Pack layers to adapt to varying temperatures inside trains and during explorations at your destinations. Comfortable shoes are crucial for navigating train stations and exploring cities. For entertainment, download audiobooks, podcasts, or movies to your devices for those long journeys. Also, pack a good book or a travel journal to capture your experiences. Essentials include a refillable water bottle, snacks, and basic toiletries for your train journeys. And don't forget a universal adapter if needed for your electronics. The enchantment of train travel. Embracing the journey. Train travel offers a unique blend of practicality and pleasure. Here are some ways to maximize your experience. First, embrace the scenery. Train journeys are a visual feast. Watch the landscape transform from bustling cities to idyllic countryside, soaking in the changing scenery. Next, strike up conversations. Trains are melting pots of cultures. Engage with fellow passengers, learn about their journeys, and gain insights into local life. Savor the slower pace. Unlike the frenetic pace of air travel, trains offer a slower, more contemplative experience. Use this time to relax, read, or simply enjoy the rhythm of the journey. Indulge in onboard delights. Many trains offer cafes or dining cars, serving delicious local fare. Savor a steaming cup of coffee and a pastry as you watch the world go by. Lastly, people watch. Train stations are hubs of activity. Observe the diverse travelers, from families embarking on adventures to business people on the move. Beyond the big cities, venturing off the beaten path. While major European cities are well connected by rail, don't miss the charm of smaller towns and villages accessible by regional trains. These hidden gems offer a glimpse into authentic European life, with fewer crowds and a slower pace. Essential apps for train travelers. Rail Europe. Search train schedules, fares, and book tickets across Europe. Trainline. Another great app for booking tickets and checking schedules. DB Navigator. An excellent resource for navigating the German rail system and beyond. SNCF. For travel within France, this app provides comprehensive schedules and booking options. The environmental case for trains. The environmental impact of our travel choices has become an increasingly pressing concern. Aviation, while convenient, is one of the fastest growing sources of greenhouse gas emissions. According to the European Environment Agency, air travel is responsible for a significant share of the EU's carbon footprint. In contrast, trains are a much greener mode of transport. Lower carbon emissions. Trains emit significantly less CO2 per passenger kilometer compared to airplanes and cars. For instance, the average carbon dioxide emissions per kilometer for a domestic flight within Europe can be as high as 250 grams per passenger, whereas for a high-speed train, it can be as low as 14 grams. This stark difference is largely due to the efficiency of trains and their ability to move large numbers of passengers with relatively low energy consumption. Use of renewable energy. Many European countries are increasingly powering their rail networks with renewable energy sources. In the Netherlands, for example, the entire electric train network runs on wind energy. Similarly, Switzerland's trains are predominantly powered by hydroelectric energy. This shift towards renewable energy not only reduces the carbon footprint of train travel, but also supports broader national and continental goals for sustainability. Reduced air pollution and noise. Unlike airplanes, trains produce minimal direct emissions of pollutants such as nitrogen oxides, NOx, and particulate matter, PM, which are harmful to both human health and the environment. Moreover, trains tend to generate less noise pollution compared to road traffic and aircraft, contributing to a quieter and more serene travel experience. Embracing a sustainable future. As the world grapples with the urgent need to reduce carbon emissions and combat climate change, train travel emerges not just as a nostalgic nod to the past, but as a vital component of a sustainable future. The European Union has set ambitious targets to achieve climate neutrality by 2050, and enhancing the rail network is a critical part of this strategy. Investments in high-speed rail, cross-border connections, and the electrification of lines are all geared towards making train travel even more efficient and appealing. Conclusion. A call to journey responsibly. Choosing to travel by train in Europe is not merely about reaching a destination, it's about embracing a mode of transport that harmonizes convenience, comfort, and environmental stewardship. It's a journey through history, culture, and nature, all while significantly reducing your carbon footprint. As travelers, we have the power to shape the future of transportation by making conscious choices that benefit not only ourselves, but also the planet. So, the next time you plan a trip across Europe, consider boarding a train. Let the rhythmic clatter of the tracks guide you through the continent's diverse landscapes, knowing that your journey is contributing to a greener, more sustainable world.